Introducing the carbon-wrapped motor, another mind-blowing addition to the new Tesla Model S Plaid's impressive spec list. Ever since Tesla unveiled the Roadster back in 2008, the ambitious company has been the industry leader when it comes to EVs, but with a couple of promising new EV startups trying to steal that throne and a number of well-established automotive companies going electric, everyone was holding their breath while waiting to see if Elon Musk could come up with a proper response, and boy did he respond back in June 2020. Hello and welcome to Elon Musk Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to get updated with technology trends. We bring you the video related to Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motor, so stick till the end. Lucid Motors proved to be a serious new contender to Tesla's spot as the premier EV producer when the California-based startup set a new benchmark for aerodynamic efficiency by optimizing the Lucid Air's range and performance. Lucid verified that it had achieved a drag coefficient of 0.21 for the Lucid Air, making it the most aerodynamically efficient vehicle ever, electric or otherwise. And as you'd expect, the Tesla techno king Elon Musk wasn't having this one bit. Elon shattered Lucid's dream by having a drag coefficient of 0.208 that's 0.002 lower than Lucid Air's, and that's all thanks to the new carbon-wrapped motor in Tesla's Model S Plaid. This marvel of engineering happened to double up as a meme-like jab at Lucid Motors by Tesla, and Elon's Tesla is leaving no stone unturned when it comes to EV dominance. And when you see what the new carbon-wrapped motor does to the Model S Plaid, it's scary to think of what the new Roadster will be like. During Tesla's Model S Plaid delivery event on June 10th, Elon highlighted their achievement with a new motor briefly during the presentation. Something that we're really proud of is the new carbon-sleeved rotors. The Tesla CEO also pointed out that making the new carbon-sleeved rotors was pretty hard to do, since carbon and copper have different rates of thermal expansion. It needs to be wound at extremely high tension in order to achieve a carbon overwrap rotor, since this wasn't possible with any existing technology or machinery. The new carbon-wrapped motor also gives Tesla an interesting new ability, making the electromagnetic field super efficient while having a tight gap even at extremely high RPM. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motors are revolutionary. The motors are small enough to be picked up by a single person, but at the same time, capable of achieving insanely high RPMs. How insane, you might ask? In another series of tweets, Elon's favorite means of communication, the Tesla CEO went into more detail to the machine they had designed to make the carbon-wrapped motors, and also went into detail on how the fiber is wound. The fiber is wound over the rotor at a high tension load, and the machine used to do this was made by Tesla Automation, established in 1983 as Grohmann Engineering. Tesla Automation's headquarters are located in Prüm, Germany. Due to the different thermal expansion, the carbon sleeve needs to put the copper rotor in compression, or it would loosen at low temperatures. The new and improved motor is not just for show. The main benefit of the new motor is that the carbon sleeve rotor creates a stronger electromagnetic field than a rotor held together by metal. Elon Musk pointed out that ordinarily these rotors are made with high-strength steel. Another advantage is that the rotor can go to higher revs per minute, mainly since the carbon sleeve prevents the copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration. Tesla essentially did a SpaceX and created a land rocket when it fitted its new carbon-wrapped motor inside the Model S Plaid, thanks to Tesla's super high ambitions and arguably the best engineering team you could ask for. The Model S Plaid is now the quickest production car on Earth. Yes, as hard as it may be to believe, this four-door electric sedan beats all your Mclarens, Bugattis, and Ferraris in a drag race any day of the week. Tesla Model S Plaid is capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in a mere 1.99 seconds. From what we can tell, experiencing this firsthand is super intense, but yet insanely fun at the same time. According to Elon, this is something that you'll have to feel in order to believe, the heart-wrenching insanity. Elon Musk mentioned that with Model S Plaid, you'd be getting a car that is faster than any Porsche and safer than any Volvo in existence. Tesla is clearly out for blood now when it comes to the EV game, and its habit of breaking records on cue is only going to get better once the Roadster is released in 2022. It'll probably get worse for some people. The new Tesla Roadster finally hits the market in 2022, and the EV enthusiasts pretty much have hands full with the Model S Plaid, and if you think the motor was impressive, wait until you see its crib. The Tesla Model S Plaid is an absolute joy to look at, let alone to drive. Tesla had stated it before, and everyone knew that this would be an update to the Model S that nobody expected, though it was the extent of this upgrade with tweaks and improvements in nearly every facet possible. The Plaid Model S might as well have been a standalone model on its own. Their biggest improvements yet, however, is what we've been gawking about this entire time, the marvel of engineering that is the lightweight electric motor with carbon-sleeved rotors. This enables the Model S Plaid to maintain a staggering 1,000 horsepower from as low as 80 miles per hour right up to 200 miles per hour, in contrast to Model S 2019 performance model peaks at roughly 700 horsepower at around 40 miles per hour and then trails off progressively as the speed increases. In addition to its crazy quick 0 to 60 mile per hour 1.99 seconds, the new souped-up Model S can do a quarter mile at 9.23 seconds, which, for reference, is even faster than the 2020 Porsche 911 Turbo S, which does it in 10.1 seconds. Tesla fans will be stoked to hear that you can have not one, not two, but up to 3 insane motors in your new Model S Plaid. The tri-motor model range is rated at 390 miles, but the cheaper dual-motor version pushes that up slightly to 412 miles, or according to Elon, 420 miles, give or take recharging times. Those times have improved as well, with 187 miles of range available from a 15-minute charge using a 480-volt supercharger. According to Elon, the tri-motor powertrain in the Model S Plaid could also be used in the new highly awaited 2022 Roadster, which could achieve greater performance based on the smaller form factor alone. Now it looks like Tesla would be improving the powertrain technology too. One thing is certain though, Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motor could be a paradigm shift in how we design and manufacture vehicles in the future. During the Model S Plaid unveil event, Elon said it himself, the vehicle's performance and design have been completely overhauled, giving you the feel that you're really driving the future. All this praise may make it seem like the original Model S was a flop, but in reality, it was a gem of a car as well. The new Model S Plaid is slightly lower, longer, and lighter than before. The interior has been completely redesigned, and it is probably the most unrecognizable feature from the original Model S. Outside the significantly revamped motors, the Plaid's interior is now more luxurious, spacious, and entertaining. A new digital instrument cluster, a landscape-oriented infotainment system that's just as powerful as the PlayStation 5, a new screen for rear passengers, and some nifty hidden HVAC vents make the Model S Plaid a totally different product from its predecessor. Oh, and how can we forget the controversial yoke steering wheel? That'll definitely take some time getting used to, all in all. The Tesla Model S Plaid seems to be the king of the EV pack right now. That said, this is it for today's video. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.